Hello, greetings to everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I greet you all my subscribers and those are yet to subscribe. Welcome back to my channel. This is Demi Igele Empire, where it is happening in terms of head wrap. Let's quickly learn this together again. The material on my hand is Ashoke material, not full length, 75 in length, then 4 layers. You saw what I did there. I just folded some parts, taking it to the back and bring everything to the front, then I knot it. This style is very simple. Just focus your eyes on it. Definitely you're going to learn it. Very easy, very simple but unique style. So you saw what I did there. I knot it and I arranged the parts so that it will not look very rough. So watch my hand how I arrange the sides of the head wrap. Alright, after arranging this side, I will also arrange the other side that way. So if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire. So please do well to connect with me on this channel. Drop your comments, like my videos, share my videos. Practice the same makes perfect. Very important. Always practice. If you don't practice, you tend to forget what you have watched. So you can see now I finished arranging both sides. Then I knot it the second time. So watch closely what I am going to do now. The head wrap is very simple, very simple, easy to learn. If not for the tutorial, I bet you 3 minutes at most you're done with this style. But I'm taking my time because it's tutorial, so I have to take my time so that you watching me out there want this. You're going where you're going, how you're going to dance, how you're going to check your head. If you know you're the type that dance a lot and check your head a lot, please, I beg you, use pin to hold your head wrap if possible. Pin twice so that you don't embarrass yourself while dancing. The head wrap will just pull up. Alright, you can see I'm taking the tip of the other side down too. Then I also use office pin to pin it down there by securing the two bases, and it's firm like that. The way it is now, we can dance and roll our head, and I bet you that head wrap will not lose. Alright, so I started arranging the upper parts. You can see I raised the two parts up now. So I'm going to arrange it so that they will be equal. Then I use pin to hold it. I hold the two together. So our style is ready. Our head wrap is getting ready. What is remaining now is just to adjust it to the desired shape that I want. So I'm going to pin, just reinforce some few parts, maybe add like 4 or 5 pins just to bring it together as reinforce, but not too much. I'm not going to use too much pin. Alright, so I'm just adjusting it now. The main tying is done. So watch closely what I am doing now. Because the Ashoke material is a very light one, it's not actually standing. If it's too high, it will not stand. So I'm going to just take some parts. Watch now. I've took these parts together, then I use pin to hold it. So I'm going to pick like 4 or 2 places more to hold it there by bringing the head wrap a little bit down so that it will not be falling off. Okay, so you can see the head wrap is getting ready. Isn't it conventional? Isn't it beautiful, cute, suits for all events and occasions? Name it. Yes, we are there. I told you this is where it's happening. Demi Igele Empire. If you're just joining in or seeing my video for the first time, please do well to connect with me on this channel. You have a lot to learn. I mean, a lot to learn beautiful, when I say beautiful, I really mean it, beautiful head wraps to learn. You can see it, our head wrap is ready. That is it. Beautiful, simple but unique head wrap. So if you want to cover the back, you can still cover it, but I did not cover it because of my hair due. So if you don't have a nice hair at the back, you can cover it. It's very simple to cover. So decorating further, you can use your hair accessories to decorate it. I like using hair accessories on my head wrap because it gives your head wrap this vibe, positive vibes, and it should look like auto igili, but it is not auto igili. You can see that is what the back look like. Beautiful one. So we can go dancing. Do you know how to dance? All right, let's go there. Dance, 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 dance. Our head wrap is ready. So please don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section. As I said earlier, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire. I welcome you all, my subscribers. You're too much. See you in my next video.